Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can shuffle a playlist in VLC Media Player. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to your VLC Media Player, and if you haven't created a playlist yet, this is how you can do it first before I show you how to shuffle the playlist. So what you want to do is click into Media in the top left, select Open Multiple Files here, and then click into File in the top left, and here on the right hand side you will see that plus add button. Click into it and then locate the video clips in MP4 file format, for example, on your device, to add 2 or more of them to that list. So select them from that upload window that you see usually in the top left corner, locate the files on your device, and as you can see, I've added 2 video clips to that playlist. Click into player at the bottom to start the playlist. So I'm not going to do this because I've already created one. So guys, how can you access a playlist here if you have already created it? What you want to do is right click into the screen, hover your mouse over playlist, and then you will see the short view of your playlist with these video clips. Or if you hover your mouse over overview here, you will be given the opportunity to click into your playlist. Alternatively, you may use the shortcut Ctrl-L. That is going to navigate you to your playlist. So how can you view the playlist in Shuffle? What you want to do is right click into one of these video tracks on your playlist and choose Shuffle Playlist. That's how you do it. Then the playlist will starting with the selected video clip. Alternatively, guys, here at the bottom you will see this button here, random. So click into it, and that is going to change the position or shuffle the position of these video clips on your playlist. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.